Hey YouTube, my name is Jeremy. I'm the owner of Voyager Houseboats, and it is my absolute pleasure this spring to finally bring to you a walkthrough video of the two houseboats you haven't seen yet. You've got Odyssey on my right side and then Equinox on my left. We're gonna do a walkthrough of those two boats, so definitely stay tuned to our YouTube channel to see the two different boats you haven't seen yet. So it is my absolute pleasure to finally get a chance to show you what we have to offer in those two boats. And so first and foremost, obviously, as you can see, beautiful hammock is laid across the front of Odyssey. So this is a two-person hammock that is deployed once you get to your mooring location. So we're just gonna slowly make our way onto the patio of the boat. You see the captain's console is located right here with all the instruments, all the GPSs, and this right here is the patio. So you've got a large couch on the left and a little bit of a smaller one on the right side here. Each of them have cup holders everywhere. This is where we typically put all the paddles for the kayaks, life jackets as well. There's a dry bag in there too for you to keep your phone out of the water. At the back of the boat is the kayak rack for our customers, so we can transport up to 3 kayaks on this particular piece of equipment right here. Up to 3 kayaks, and then we also can transport a 4th one at the front, and I'll show you that later on. Here we go for the main course. We're gonna get into the inside of the cabin. Welcome aboard Odyssey. So this is really our pride and joy, to be honest with you. The basic model of the boat came and we decided to upgrade it a little bit. So as you can probably notice right away, there's a lot more sort of personalized things like intricate. So this is sand that is embedded into the table to make for these really cool motifs. There's some quite a few different colored sands here, which gives this a really unique look and feel. We've just remade this table this spring actually, because it was having a little bit of wear and tear. So this is where the potable water is located, right here on the right. You can see your heating unit right down here to keep you warm in the spring and the fall. And then there's also a barbecue just tucked away under there for transit. Once we get to the mooring location, we set up the barbecue for you on the patio. So here we go. First item here on the left, you can see a big twin bunk beds for the kids or for adults. So you have your ladder right here to be able to make it to the top bunk. And then also another really cool feature with these boats is that if you want to just use the bottom bunk bed during the day, you can actually just lift this up and store it out of the way. And so now we move on to the rear quarter area of the houseboat. This seating area and dining area, also gaming area, turns into a queen size bed. So if you want to see the full video on how to convert this into a queen size bed, definitely recommend checking out the video I did on Serenité, as I fully show you how that transitions from a seating to a lying down area. So this houseboat is good for up to 4 passengers. So we've had as many as 5 if there are young children aboard who are willing to share a bed. For example, you could put 2 kids in the top bunk bed, 1 kid in the bottom bunk. We've even seen the parents sleep in the bunks, and then 3 kids sleeping on the queen size bed at the back. That also works pretty well. Whatever floats your boat. Yeah, so we're now moving on to the most important part of the whole houseboat, the washroom and shower area. So as you can see, we have a composting toilet, and here's your shower head at the top. You got your hot and cold water there. There's a little sink area. Admittedly, I am a little bit tall for this shower. This is definitely more meant for shorter people, but I've taken showers in here. It's fine. It's totally fine. So as you can see, we also added a bunch of personalized wooden sculptures basically and carvings all over the kitchen cabinets. My father is a huge fan of wood carving, and if I recall, actually this is the one that I made. All the other ones are made by my dad. So you've got your 2-burner cook stove. You've got a board to make some wonderful charcuterie boards, and there's your sink right there for washing all the dishes. You've got a little hang drying area for all your dishes as well. We do provide linen, so towels, there's pillowcases, fitted sheets, pillows themselves. You do have to bring your own bedding, so sleeping bags or anything like that. And then right here is your fridge. Nice little fridge. You got all the space you need for a couple people for a weekend. A little freezer section at the top there too. So yeah, it's a perfect for all your needs. So Odyssey is the second boat that we have in operation in our company. We've been running it for 3 years now. It's one of the most highly sought after, actually, just because of all the intricate wood carvings and everything we have on the boat. And you can check out our website, voyagerhouseboats.com, and book yourself a getaway on the houseboat. There's really no better way to experience Whiteshell Provincial Park than to be on your own on the river, basically hanging on the hammock. You can fish off of the hammock too, that's not something you can do every day. So definitely highly recommend check out our website and see if any availabilities fit your schedule.